Welcome back, future engineers. I know you're tired of your computer lagging while running complex CAD software or freezing during massive structural analysis projects. It's incredibly frustrating when your gear holds back your grades. You've clicked on the right video today. We're breaking down the best laptop for civil engineering students to help you render, design, and multitask without a single glitch. I've personally ranked 5 reliable machines that balance heavy processing power, long battery life, and true durability for your rigorous coursework. Let's jump right in and find your perfect fit. Product number 1. Apple MacBook Neo 13-inch laptop. Starting off our list is the Apple MacBook Neo 13-inch laptop, a solid choice for students who need absolute portability and crazy battery life. Powered by Apple's newest silicone, this compact machine gives you the speed to handle complex calculations, heavy spreadsheets, and the intense multitasking required for your engineering courses. The 13-inch Liquid Retina display offers fantastic color accuracy and brightness, ensuring your project schematics look crisp even in brightly lit lecture halls. One of its best features is the fanless design, meaning it runs completely silently during those late-night study sessions. While macOS requires specific workarounds like Parallels to run Windows-exclusive structural software, the hardware quality, seamless ecosystem integration, and all-day battery reliability make the MacBook Neo a premium companion for any busy civil engineering student constantly moving across campus.
Next up is the Lenovo Premium Business and Student Laptop, configured to handle the heavy demands of engineering applications right out of the box. Lenovo is known for its durable build quality, and this laptop easily survives the daily bumps of a crowded backpack. Under the hood, it packs a high-performance multi-core processor paired with ample RAM, giving you the horsepower to run demanding software like Revit, Civil 3D, and MATLAB smoothly. The spacious keyboard is a massive highlight here, featuring excellent key travel that makes typing lengthy lab reports feel effortless. It also includes an integrated numeric keypad, which is an absolute necessity when you're constantly crunching structural load numbers. If you want a rock-solid, high-performing Windows machine that delivers professional-grade reliability for your demanding curriculum, this Lenovo is a great choice.
Product number 3. HP 15.6-inch FHD laptop. Coming in at number 3 is the HP 15.6-inch FHD laptop, a mid-range workhorse that balances large-screen productivity with student affordability. This HP model shines with its expansive Full HD display, giving you plenty of visual room to comfortably view complex blueprints, CAD layouts, and multiple reference documents side by side without straining your eyes. It's equipped with a highly capable processor and fast solid-state storage, ensuring that massive structural design files load quickly and your system boots up in seconds. The battery life is very reliable, supporting fast charge technology, so you can quickly juice it up between classes. Furthermore, it features a generous selection of ports, allowing you to easily connect external monitors for your dorm room setup or plug in flash drives for group projects. It's a highly practical, reliable daily driver. Product number 4. Lenovo IdeaPad 1 Student Laptop. Our fourth contender is the Lenovo IdeaPad 1 Student Laptop, a lightweight option for students who need strict budget-friendly reliability for their core academic tasks. While it isn't built for rendering massive 3D architectural models, it excels at the everyday essentials of civil engineering coursework. It easily handles intense web research, heavy PDF textbook reading, Microsoft Office apps, and cloud-based collaboration tools without breaking a sweat. The highly efficient processor reduces power consumption, allowing this laptop to last through a full day of back-to-back lectures on a single charge. Weighing just slightly over 3 pounds, it slips effortlessly into any bag, making it great for commuting across large campuses. For freshmen taking prerequisite math and physics classes who want a highly portable, cost-effective machine before investing in a heavy-duty workstation, the IdeaPad 1 is a smart pick. Product number 5, NYMO 15.6-inch FHD IPS. Rounding out our top 5 is the NYMO 15.6-inch FHD IPS student laptop, a hidden gem that delivers surprising premium features at a highly accessible price point. This laptop provides a beautiful anti-glare IPS display that offers wide viewing angles, making it fantastic for collaborating on group engineering projects. It's powered by a snappy quad-core processor and features a massive solid-state drive, giving you an immense amount of storage space for all your CAD files, software installations, and heavy reference materials. What really sets the NYMO apart is the inclusion of a convenient backlit keyboard for late-night studying and a fast fingerprint reader built right into the touchpad for instant, secure logins. Complete with a Type-C fast charger and reliable Wi-Fi connectivity, this is a feature-rich budget option for any engineering student looking to maximize their value.
When it comes to price compatibility, the Lenovo IdeaPad 1 and the NYMO Student Laptop are your absolute best budget-friendly entry points, offering fantastic essential performance and large storage capacities for a very low cost. The HP 15-inch sits comfortably in the mid-range tier, providing a great balance of screen size and reliable speed. If you're willing to invest a bit more, the Lenovo Premium business model provides professional-grade durability and the processing power needed for intensive engineering applications. Finally, the Apple MacBook Neo commands a premium price tag, but it fully justifies that investment with its exceptional build quality, ultra-fast silicon, and a battery that simply refuses to die.